Now we begin set number 2 in Inares, Montalban. Thank you for joining us. This is Mix Comments at your service alongside Alfred Valbuena and Jana Ejido. Abby Maraño denied by Del Palomata.
There, that's the first block again. And really targeting the import here of PLDT, which gave Fajardo a hard time to set up the ball.
That was a nice setup to Uni Batista. He gave us that crucial point from the back row, giving them set point in set. Target savvy. Oh, not the best of executions. Beautiful dig by Catarado. KKD sends it cross court. Let Catarado do what she usually does. Kanina, napuna natin si Shaya Adorador.
Yeah.
Ayan na naman, getting the first ball. But Jen Yerba has had her moments. Even Karen for the floor. But you should be the one answering your own question.
Yeah, I know. Alam naman natin nun. Pero syempre, Catarado always seeing that hole from the blockers. Kaya nakuha yung mga bola. But that time,
Hindi yan na naligtas yun.
that was...
Tied at 3. Batista. Denial. That's Majoy Baron. Pero may mga ibang players tumatalon over that.
Meron talaga. Wala sa kanila yung LED. It's really just to save the ball, go for the ball, because every point counts for them.
Power now from the back. Uni Batista.
Picking up points for Cherry in this crucial game of theirs.
Earlier on top of the broadcast that she's growing more comfortable talking to coaches, but Uni also particularly mentions how her connection with her setter Alina Bicar has improved.
Yes. Really, the connection between the setter and the reinforcement, that's one of the things na binabantayan natin in each reinforced conference, no? At it does take time, Alfred, but now that we're already...
But even managed to get steal that set.
Same target.
Yeah. Ball with a trajectory na talagang sakto lang sa net.
There you go. Karen with the first ball. Pambawi ni Ara. Good dig by Catarado. Davison! Where the floor could not reach for it. Shaya Adorador tasked with that one. Xavi. Defense to offense.
You can see that swing coming from Davison, no? Grabe.
A reminder for everybody, the 2025 NBA Emirates Cup is here on Signal. Watch the action this November to December on NBA TV Philippines and Pilipinas.
You know, that swing from her arm and that hit.
Wow, what a block. Was that Majoy?
Yeah, Majoy Baron there. But the net is really quite tight for her to save that.
Gaston could not score. Alcantara goes to the open. The push by Nastia was red. Arado going to zone 5. Ganda ng Buelo. Wow, what a dig by Savvy. Nastia's turn. For the floor, right there for it. Batista. That bounces back. It's saved by Majoy. Mylene. Whistle blown. Net touch by Babikina. 11-20. Paat. Denied.
That time.
Shaya. Caught a touch.
Depending on the receive, lahat ng set. So, adjustments. Sinasabi, volleyball is a sport of adjustments.
You couple your reading with your accuracy. That was accurate from Anastasia Babikina. The least that they have allowed was 14 to Farm Fresh, talking about PLDT. That's going to be an ace. So this would be their most dominant set in the reinforced conference.
Yep, no challenge.